If you need to replace your AC heater core, this video will show all the parts needed to reseal that plastic case holding the core. The next video will cover the center distribution duct, center upper outlets, left and right hand ducts, and the lower outlets. Heater core mounts to this zinc plate which slides into the plastic case. Where the two heater core pipes emanate from the case, there are gaps to be sealed. On 68 to 77 models, this polyfoam seal blocks those gaps around the heater core tubes, and a small contoured metal plate covers the seal and is mounted with two screws. On 78 to 82 models, a different polyfoam seal blocks those gaps around the core's tubes, and the same metal plate covers the seal. GM did not provide a seal between the heater core case and the selector duct that directs air either up to the defroster duct or down to the duct serving the cockpit floor. We designed a new seal with steps to fit the contour of these two parts. After Zip purchased our part, they made a poor copy. Just as Abbott claims Zip developed the same part independently, which incidentally happened when Abbott was still in middle school. The other large opening in this case supplies a distributor duct that sends air to the outlets on the dash. The assembly manual shows an endless perimeter seal. However, in service, GM supplied a straight length of polyfoam. We measured the junction of the case and the duct and developed a new seal. True to form, after purchasing our part, Zip copied it also, and Abbott continued his lies about their independent development. Our new part fits this gap perfectly from every angle. In later years, GM serviced this yellow-colored strip seal that they termed a plastic seal. Our contoured perimeter seal fits perfectly, and both of these seals fit together so that neither interferes with the connection of the diverter or distribution ducts. This simple rectangular strip seal first appears in the 1972 assembly manual and continues through until it disappears in the 79 manual. It was to block an air leak at the firewall. If you read the Corvette forum, those purchasing this seal from other vendors have no clue where it's used. This seal has a brown paper covering over the peel and stick adhesive. This part is not even illustrated in any assembly manual, but was sold in service. In practice, since polyfoam is very porous prior to being crushed during installation, the adhesive dried out prior to use. We faithfully reproduced this pattern without the adhesive and recommend a spray adhesive for mounting to the case. Once the AC heater core case is mounted to the firewall, the 5/8 and 3/4 inch core tubes occupy a chamber between the firewall and the evaporator case. To prevent entry of foreign material, two different thickness black seals are slipped over these two core tubes to block entry into this chamber from underneath the Corvette. All of these parts are available separately or in kits with complete illustrated instructions. We developed these parts. Don't be conned by sloppy seconds from the liars at Zip.